Welcome to 3rd grade at WVL. Third graders move from learning to read to reading to learn. They write friendly letters and compositions with a structured format. They focus on grammar and spelling in their writing, as well as in isolated lessons. They memorize math facts and calculate numbers through the thousands period. WVL provides curriculum that follows Wisconsin state standards in math, language arts, social studies, and science. There are some part-time options available. At 3rd grade, students need a learning coach to guide them through the lessons. They can work more independently than in 2nd grade. Strong reading skills support more independence for the student to complete lessons. Some assignments and tests are graded by the WVL teacher. Daily work is mostly graded by the learning coach. Books and other materials are sent to the student's home and available online. The student and learning coach are both supported by a Wisconsin licensed teacher and a student learning advocate. Live online classes are offered in language arts and math. If your learner is struggling in math or reading, WVL offers additional intervention classes to help build skills. If you would like more information about WVL, please contact us at 262-692-3988.